So starting with the left-hand side, there's an identity for tangent squared. Well, it comes from the Pythagorean identity that 1 plus tangent squared is equal to secant squared. So what we can do is subtract 1 from both sides, and tangent squared is equal to secant squared minus 1. So I'll start with the left-hand side equals the tangent squared on the top can be replaced with secant squared minus 1, and then copy the denominator, secant of x plus 1. And it looks like we could cancel a secant and get secant and divide these and get a negative 1. But the only way that you can cancel things like that is if you factored. So the numerator would need to be factored. Well, the numerator is actually the difference of two squares. So you could factor it as secant of x plus 1 times secant of x minus 1. Now that it's factored, it can cancel if the same factor appears in the numerator and the denominator. And sure enough it does. Secant of x plus 1 can be cancelled, and all that's left is secant of x minus 1, which is exactly the right hand side. Yippee.